Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 490, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Maine: Androscoggin, Cumberland, Franklin, Kennebec, Knox, Lincoln, Oxford, Penobscot, Piscataqui, Sagadahoc, Somerset, Waldo, and York, and the following: Casco Bay, Maine. Coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to the Merrimack River, Massachusetts, out 25 nautical miles. Coastal Maine waters from Stonington to Port Clyde, out 25 nautical miles. And coastal Maine waters from Port Clyde to Cape Elizabeth, out 25 nautical miles. And the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Carroll, Cheshire, Coos, Grafton, Hillsborough, Merrimack, Rockingham, Stratford, and Sullivan. And the following counties in Vermont: Caledonia, Essex, Orange, and Windsor. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.